What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. And you already see the title, you already see the thumbnail. We're going to Not Scary Farm. Not Scary Farm. Okay, so we're gonna jump right into this video. Don't mind how I look. I tried to get a haircut, but it was too late. It's around, I think, like 7 something right now, and it's October 26th. And I'm so sorry, God. I'm so sorry for not posting in a while. I haven't been posting because I don't know what to be posting. So if you guys have anything for me to post, it's Halloween season. If y'all want me to like post more Halloween stuff, then just let me know, because Halloween is in 5 days. So I'm about to get ready. I'm gonna put my chains, my earrings on, do my hair, put my shoes on, and yeah. But I was gonna do a haunted house this year because I did last year, but I'm not doing it. So I was gonna vlog that, but that's not gonna be it. So hopefully I do something else after this weekend, so I can get y'all something else I can record for y'all. But if y'all make sure before this video start, please like and subscribe, and I will continue doing YouTube, of course, because I'm trying to make it out in the hood, motherfuckers. Just playing, motherfucker. It's been announced multiple times, and it starts at 7 o'clock, and we're running late, and black people always running late. So I'm gonna do my hair. Hopefully I don't look crazy there. Bro, I really wanted to get a haircut because, haven't had a haircut in a while, and I want to look good, like, bad. Like, it's like, if y'all know, like, men getting their haircut is like women getting their makeup done, like, if that makes sense. I know y'all heard that because it's literally the same thing. And yeah, that's that. And also, y'all won't really be getting school vlogs anymore. Because if y'all know, when I did the school vlog, that was my last video. Make sure y'all check that out for sure. Make sure you check it out. Click out this video, check that video, and come back for sure. I had first lunch with my friend Layla, and oh shit, and we don't have lunch anymore together, so you won't really be seeing us vlogging together anymore unless I skip, and I'm not doing all right. But if y'all like her and us hanging out, let me know in the comments. Hold on. Let me know in the comments, because that video got a little support on it, and I messed with that. But yeah, so if y'all want that, just let me know in the comments. I think my motherfucking earring all crooked and shit. Y'all, I think my mama here. Hold on. My mama just got here, so we're gonna leave in a bit. Hopefully we make it on time. We're gonna try to get the fast pass. So this is the fit. I put my chains on, So this is the fit. Got me my threes on, my hoodie, my pants.
Come on.
But yeah, this is the fit, and I'll see y'all when I get there. Shit, get the fuck out my face. Alright, y'all, we're in the maze right now. We're in Grimoire.
Grimoire, damn these souls
that?
to our pages through dying
We're here,
breath.
so... Wow. dark though. Look at this bitch. Oh, he gonna break the motherfucker. What is that? Alright guys, hopefully I can hear me, but you're good. Anyway, y'all can't even fucking see me. Can I use your phone? For the fast light? Oh shit, I don't know. Alright guys, so we could go, which way you wanna go? Alright, so we just went through Brewmore. Not bad. And it was cool. I give it like a 7 out of 10. I've been here last year, so I kind of remember it. And we just got here like maybe like 30 minutes ago, and it's kind of crowded, not really, on a Sunday. And y'all can see like I was supposed to go on a Saturday, and I didn't go on a Saturday. So I mean, it's cool. We might get the fast lane, so we could go to rises and do all that. But I don't know. But I give that like, what you give that?
6.
She gave it a 6. So we're gonna see about another maze, and then yeah. So I'll see y'all in a bit. All right, guys. I hope y'all can see me. We finna go in Mesmer, and yeah. So we're gonna see how it is right now. Huh? So let's go. Hopefully, this has been here for 5 damn years. It's time to give this shit up. Alright, let's go. Oh, they changed it up up in here. Woo, shit, motherfuckers.
You are getting sleepy.
That was loud.
My voice. Only my voice. Illustrated man ran out of room for his tattoos. But I convinced him that skin has 2 sides. The outer and the inner. Nest. They crawl inside and out.
Don't play like that. Oh, he's scary. Oh, she's scary.
Deeper into a pit of despair. Air is ragged, taxing, paralyzed.
Huh?
The snake charmer plays her melody, the dance of death. Cease to exist. Welcome to water. Breathing your body up and out. The power of suggestion bends the mind to extraordinary lengths. Even the simplification of lines feel stiffens. Isn't real. Sway.
Y'all my feet.
Forever spiraling, never swinging, never stopping. Don't let your thoughts wander. 1 foot in front of the other.
Do it.
Nowhere to go but
Are
forward.
you found?
Darkness is the root of all our fears. Invisibility becomes a prison. What is real? You are his. The slithering images of Zoetrope mimic reality, but reality isn't broken into fragments. It is mine. No, this cannot be. Red room! My eye sees all. My eye controls all.
Whoa, shit, motherfuckers. Y'all, that shit was actually looking kind of good. Y'all see accelerator? Look at that shit, y'all. Anyway, for the I hope y'all can see me, but that was pretty good. Like, they changed it up a lot, huh? They changed it up. It was cool. I gave that like a 9 for sure. Yeah, yeah, this girl right here, she was screaming the loudest right in front of us. It was not that motherfucking scary to be screaming. Huh? Oh, yeah. But yeah, this was cool, maze. we might just get the fast pass at this point. I mean, the maze is only like 30 to 40 minutes that we seen, and the first one we seen was like 60. Not really bad as like, you know, like the first one we seen. But it's not like that bad, guys. But we still might get it because we want fast pass for the rides. But y'all got a couple more days until they end it, so y'all better hurry up and go. Look at accelerated line, long as hell. But I'll see when we either get the fast pass, we go on another maze, a ride, or something to eat. So I'll see y'all in a bit. All right, guys. Hopefully y'all can see me, but we're gonna go on Ghost Rider right now. And we went on this other maze. So we've been in 3 mazes right now, and we just got the fast pass. So we just got the flight, and I do recommend this, but it's really expensive. But it's really expensive, and I don't know. I mean, I think it's worth it because you could do rides and mazes at $150. I think that's cool, but we waited in line for Ghost Rider, and then we went in this. Before we waited in this line, we went in this other maze. I think that's like they changed it up because last year was their 50th anniversary, and that was it. So I think that was a good maze. I didn't get that scared, but I think I'm just getting really older. Like, I don't get scared like that anymore. Hopefully I can hear me, but yeah. But I don't know. Should I record on the ride? I did it before, but I don't know. If we go on it again, then I'll record. But this time, I'm not gonna record. But it's been cool so far. It's like 10 o'clock, and then close at 1. So we're gonna do I'm gonna do pretty much all the mazes and do all the rides I want. Accelerator, Silver Bullet, Hang Time, all those rides. But if y'all either see me after this ride or on the ride, so I'll see y'all. All right, guys. So after Ghost Rider, we went on Hang Time. As y'all can see in the back, that shit was mad fun. But we're gonna go through the maze. Oh, don't mind our voice, motherfucking crap. We're gonna go to another maze right now. I'm gonna record that for y'all, and then we're gonna like, what the fuck? Walking all behind my motherfucking knees. What do you have to say?
This shit is scary.
Nah. Hey, that's my jam. Ooh. All my motherfucking. Anyway, but we're gonna go through this maze, and I'll see y'all when we get there. Nah, that shit was not real. That ride was, I mean, that thing seems weird. Look how they go. Look. That's cool how it goes there. It's crazy as to go all the way through the whole building, all the way from over there, from there. But I rate that shit like a 10 out of 10. Nah, it wasn't that many actors in there. I'll give it like a 7 out of 10. It was okay. I didn't do that last year, but it was cool. I liked it. I think we're gonna go to Accelerator. So I'll see y'all on Accelerator. Alright guys, so we just made it to Accelerator. We've been waiting in this line for like 30 minutes now. Even with Fast Pass. So I don't know if it's worth it anymore, but I'm gonna go in there. Ugh. A mess. Anyway, it's taking about 30 hours for this to go. And I'm ready. It's like 12 o'clock. It just hit 12 o'clock. And I'm ready to go home for real. I'm tired. I want to do like maybe 2 or 1 more mazes, then go on Ghost Rider and shit. But I'll see y'all if we go on the next maze or ride. We'll see. But, yeah. Alright guys, we just got an Accelerator. What do you rate Accelerator 1 out of 10?
A 10.
Why?
Just scary.
Anyway, we're gonna go in Cinema Slasher right now. I remember this one from last year. But Accelerator was pretty good. I like Accelerator. What?
Yeah, a friend of us.
I know. What do you think I was talking about? I mean, what were you talking about?
Right here. A friend of us.
Huh? Alright, we're gonna go in right now. Oh, it's hard. Ain't no way they're taking a picture of this. Ugh, your hair look nasty.
Oh, look at your teeth.
Look, your hair look fake. Boy, that's heavy.
No, you're late. Movie's already started. Next time be on time.
Ooh, popcorn. Girl. She could barely move in that beat. Oh, that's scary. Yo, this is scary. What if they got in their ears? What if they got in their ears?
Probably ear things. They kill redhead. Protect her.
Ah! You guys. Hey, baby.
Live it,
All
man.
in my motherfucking.
Live it, man.
Live it, man.
What's she saying with the redhead?
They killed redhead. Michael! They killed redhead.
Thank you.
Red, look. I want to scare somebody. How they do that? I know. Come here. How do they do that? Yeah, look, it's water. Slaughterhouse. Look, Maya. Oh my god, that one was insane. I like how the cinema looks. It looks all cool. Ghost Rider? It's only a 15-minute wait. This? Yeah, look at look at Accelerator. Look at Log Ride. Supreme. Hang Time is right over there. We finna hit Ghost Rider, I think 2 more times, and I think that's the night. It's finna end at 1 o'clock. It's around 12, maybe 30, 40. But yeah, we got Panda Express. Yeah, I don't know, and you know, it started at 7, and we got here around 7:45, and we didn't go into the park until 8:40. So it's like, yeah, black people don't know how to plan shit right, and it's like so fucking crazy. Hell no, get stuck in the motherfucking mountain. But we didn't get to ride the Silver Bullet, cause our ride is cool or whatever, but you know, they got better rides. And this Log Ride we didn't get to, and it looks all nice and smoky out here. The way it just look, a lot of smoke. But do y'all like the smell of smoke, like the fog? Cause I love that shit. Funny here, Ghost Rider. I'm gonna get that on recording for sure for y'all. This is Origin, guys.
Thoughts rise to the skin. Schools are ghosts.
Look at it, it's new.
Rotting place. I shall be hiding in the shadows, always lurking.
Yeah, this is very much tiring. I think I lost about 40 million pounds because this is crazy. But I rate that one cool. I never been in that one before. I seen it all on the internet though. That's cool. There's Grillmore right there. That's the one we went in. The first one we went in. And I say like, I give you my real ratings at the end. I'm ready to go home and eat for real. Ariana. We're finally on Ghost Rider. 1 o'clock in the morning. Shit, my arm, man. Oh, it was cold. My throat is bleeding, y'all. If I look, why the fuck is washed? Yo, this was the ride. The last ride of the ride. I mean, the last ride of the night. I'll see y'all in the car when I get home or something like that. Alright guys, so it's the next 2 days after NOS. As you could tell, I got a little face paint on me, kind of like, I had some blood and stuff, but it like kind of dried out and like went off. But today, I had a little trunk or treat, and at my school or whatever, they had a little haunted house or whatever. And I did kind of vlog it a little bit, but we got home around like 2 o'clock, and it was crazy. It was like, I was mad tired and go to school the next day after that. So, but if y'all did enjoy this video, please like and subscribe. I really appreciate that. And please share the video. And this, like I said in the beginning, comment down below what videos y'all want me to do. Because I might, and I think I am going to vlog for Halloween. But just let me know. And I'll see y'all in the next video.